Hello guys, welcome to our channel Job Vacancy Result. In this video, we will discuss about some of the shortlisted questions which are asked by our subscriber related to impact of COVID-19 on aviation industry like their salary cutoff, their career growth, etc. So to discuss these questions, so guys, we have done a collaboration with the experience holder from the aviation industry.
Hello guys, my name is Nitin Singh and I am Chief Security Officer in Ural Airlines, and you are watching me on Job Vacancy Results. Very awesome platform to search for private sector job and government sector job.
So let's start this video with the question number first and with their experience holder answer. What is the scope of career growth in aviation experience in the upcoming future?
So, if we talk about the scope in aviation, as of now things are not in good state and people are losing job, but future can be very optimistic and can be very bright if you want to pursue your career in aviation as a pilot or as a crew or as a ground staff or as an AME or whatever you want to become in this period. This is the bright time to choose, because in upcoming future, since the Indian airlines are in exponentially they are growing, and also there are new huge number of aircrafts coming into India and jobs are increasing. If you talk about this COVID-19 or corona, this is a very temporary phase, and when this will pass, then we have a huge demand, and also we need to do the supply. So demand and supply will be there, so airline will require aircraft, so they will need employees as well. So this is the very good time. And suppose if you want to become a pilot, then you start today, it will take 2 years from now. So you see, you have a margin of time that you can become pilot, and till the time you will become a pilot, things will be better in the country, and also the aviation will be in a stable mode. So my opinion would be that you should definitely go for aviation jobs if you are willing to, if you are aspiring to, and it's a the scope is good. I would say that scope is good, and there are new number of airports are opening. So when airports will open, new destination will open, new new opportunities will come. So you see the big picture. Yes.
Question is highly requested question. What is the hiring process in current scenario and next 6 months, and new vacancies available or not? तो हमारी वेबसाइट पे बहुत सारे एविएशन से रिलेटेड कैंडिडेट्स हैं जो इसके लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा क्यूरियस हैं कि नेक्स्ट 6 मंथ्स में इसमें एक वैकेंसी आने वाली है नहीं, तो इस पे आपका क्या पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है?
So if you talk about hiring, then the hiring scene is a little bit troubled, because now airline will be looking forward to a way to make business, to make profit, or to overcome the losses what they are going on right now. So hiring would be on hold. There would be some kind of hiring which are the positions like suppose big manager position or some essential like some technical jobs, but for ground staff and cabin crew, I don't think so there are any hirings are going to happen. But yes, the people who are already selected, they don't need to worry. Suppose I got selected a few months back and this COVID-19 started, so when this will end, they have the record, they have the data, so they will definitely call those people and then they will train them and then they will take them in. But now interview, I don't think so that in next 6 months any interview like ground staff, cabin crew or AME or anything, any interview in general would come.
So guys, the next question is totally diplomatic question. In the duration of COVID-19, will the government provide some help related to financial, their tax for the aviation industry?
As per the reports, I think government is planning some kind of bailout packages to the airline. So airline have to lose less and gain more. And suppose even one airline shuts, thousands and thousands of jobs are at stake. So government will not take that kind of a risk at this moment when the whole world is falling apart. So I think government should, and they are, they are trying to give bailout packages to airline. There are some planning going on backdoor, so I don't have that much idea about it, but yes, there are some planning. And in my opinion, airline and also some other industries like cargo companies and tours and travel industry also, they should get some bailout packages so they can survive and be a part of a brighter future of Indian economy.
So Nitin, next question is, what will the airline industry look after COVID-19 crisis? क्योंकि recently देखा गया है कि COVID-19 से बहुत ज़्यादा इंडस्ट्री में क्राइसिस हो गया है, तो इस चीज़ को एयरलाइन इंडस्ट्री किस तरीके से आगे देख रही है? थोड़ा इसको इलेबोरेट करोगे आप हमारी ऑडियंस के लिए?
If we talk about the impact of COVID-19 on Indian aviation or world aviation, so that is very bad and things are not that good. And this is a negative part actually. Like a lot of airlines are announcing pay cuts, leave without pay, and also reduction of staff. And in some cases, like Virgin Australia, which is an Australian subsidiary of Virgin Company, they have filed a closure to the authorities. And also in India, Air Deccan also have shut down their operation. So things are not in that good state, but not to worry about it. There is always a bright and a negative part, so we have to think about the positive one, that the things will get better. And as per the IATA, which is International Air Transportation Association, as per their data, COVID-19 crisis have impacted 29 lakh job, and in India especially. And the passenger traffic has have declined. Like it was there was a survey conducted by them, and 50% of the people were not willing to travel. They are not willing to travel for next 6 months, till the time this thing doesn't get settled down in entire world. So yeah, and there are huge losses to the airlines. If we talk about the world revenue in Asia Pacific, not in the world but Asia Pacific, there is USD $113 billion already has been lost by the airline, and airlines are just crying here. Companies like Qatar Airways, Emirates, and in Air Mauritius, Singapore, Cathay Pacific, Thai Airways, and United, Wizz Air, Ryanair in India, Go Air, Indigo, and Vistara, SpiceJet, all the airlines are seeking some kind of help, and they are expecting government to help. So not to worry about, this is a very temporary phase, as I said in the beginning itself, that this is a very temporary phase and we will overcome this also. So just be patient and hope for the better future. So thank you so much for having me on your channel, Job Vacancy Results, which is a very genuine and good platform to know about government jobs, aviation jobs, and all kind of jobs like private sector and public sector, all and government jobs also. So thank you so much. Myself Nitin Singh signing off. Thank you so much, host.